Consider two matrices A and B, where A is 3 by 2 and B is 2 by 4. Which of the following statements is true regarding the product AB? All right, well, if A is a 3 by 2, right, and if B is a 2 by 4, without looking at my options, this is allowed. You will get something that's defined because the inner two numbers are exactly the same. And what you'll get at the end is 3 by 4. So the product AB is defined. Yep. The product AB is undefined. Nope. The product AB is a 2 by 2. Nope. And the product AB is a 3 by 4. Yep. So A and D are true. They are both correct in this case, which is, one of those weird ones where it asks which are the following statements is true. We have two statements that are true, and it's going to be A and D.